Hello, fellow Homo sapiens. Welcome back to Lifers. Here is our next bird, the eastern goldfinch. This is a subspecies of the American goldfinch. There are 4 subspecies of the American goldfinch currently recognized. This is the female. I wanted to take some time out of our busy lives to appreciate this species. Hopefully I can find the other 3 subspecies in the future. My mission is to share Earth's biodiversity one species at a time, or subspecies. Many species do not have subspecies. Make sure you like and subscribe or follow so you don't miss a single species.